Ricky. Hey, it's been a long day.
Very long day.
Yeah.
Very long winter.
Yep. And it's still light outside, so not too bad. And it warmed up.
Yes.
Yeah, so what's going on?
It's ready to fire up.
Fire it up, breaking the cam. Yeah, we're fighting a little water leak around the thermostat housing.
Yeah, but
I think it stopped. Don't know. We got the distributor in. We got initial timing set.
you're prepared to start messing with it to keep it running.
Yep, you're gonna hit the key, keep it over 2,000 RPM. I got a timer ready to set for 20 minutes, and we'll see if we can get this thing to run.
And I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too, but
I
hey.
think we did a good job.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's get it rolling.
Okay.
Ignition's on.
Got everything turned on?
Everything's on.
Pump it. Pump it. Hand. We got gas.
Try again.
Yep. Nice. Okay, let's see if we got 12 volts here.
All right.
We got nothing here.
Let's pull it back.
Well, our first cranking didn't work. Turns out we had a loose ignition wire.
Yeah, it's
somewhere by the.
in here, and
Yeah, it looks like we got power at the coil now. So let's give it another shot.
yeah, give it a try. Switch is on. Ready?
I'm gonna adjust the distributor. I'm gonna put the phone down.
Okay. Give it a pump. Try again. I was sitting around 2,500.
Yeah, a little lower would be fine. All right, I think the distributor moved.
Okay. Did you put it back to where it was, you think?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Give it a pump.
Yeah.
Only concern is that little tick we got going on. Hey, does that feel like horsepower?
Feels like horsepower. My hand's burning.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
I'm on back. Well, Ricky, the cam's broken in.
It didn't like shutting off.
Now the headers still tick. Well, we need to tune it.
Yeah,
It's way out, and that hissing is the thermostat housing. So it looks like we got to work on that some more. No big deal.
Yeah.
You had a minor water leak on the lower radiator hose.
Yep.
But yeah, we gave a good 20 minutes, just a little over 2,000 RPM.
No oil leaks. So we fixed the one leak, and no gas leaks. That
Right.
held.
So
And it felt strong coming out the back.
the old O2 sensor started working. Go figure, after we bought a new one. But we got the old one in there and showing it's pretty lean. So we gotta get this thing tuned up, but cam's broken in. Next step, I'm gonna let this thing cool off. I'm gonna pull the valve covers, double check everything.
Yeah.
And then
make sure that tick was actually the header, like
right.
we think it is.
Yeah, and not a rocker arm or push rod or worse yet, a lifter.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll let this thing cool off and we'll call this a win.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe.
Yeah, now that this thing is running and more confident with it, there's a lot more coming. Racing, or at least going down the street.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks for running this thing.
And yeah, we're going to be meeting up with the Battery Productions group down there. Don't know who's all going to be running. I think Jeremy for sure. But yeah, so hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
All right.